Optimum Nutrition Protein Powder Sachet Packing Machine is manufactured by Shanghai Fubo Machine Company. This machine can accomplish forming bag, measuring, material filling, sealing, counting, date code printing, all the work automatically. Photoelectrical system, trace system, and computer system can be provided with your specific requirement. The PLC controller has advantages, such as adjust length of the bag, the output alarm, speed, and quantity can control by switch. This machine can be installed to code printed for 1 to 3 lines characters such as production date and expiry date according to your requirement.